Oh, we've got an incredibly nice 1967 Pontiac GTO, reportedly $150,000 spent on a body off rotisserie restoration with some very nice, tasteful upgrades. Air conditioned. Oh, I got a lot to tell you. You can also go to volocars.com where you'll find 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So I was just looking this GTO over, and this is high-end body work. It has a GTO scooped hood, of course. The gaps are as tight as a Mercedes, square, flush, absolutely straight. Looking down the side of the car, there is not a ripple. This is all fantastic. Oh, it even feels slick to the touch. Look at the gaps are right on the money. Shuts nice and solid. Has the Coke bottle quarter panels, absolutely straight. Of course, no rust, no damage. Beautiful body. Up on top here, the gaps are right on the money. Look how the bumper fits nice and tight, straight all the way across. Look at the gaps, square, flush, absolutely straight. The paint is Nardo Gray. That's a Porsche color that they used on here. It is polished like glass, upgraded with some year one 17-inch Rally 2 wheels. They're all billet cut wheels, extra wide in back, uh, a little wider in back than the front. Has performance tires, which are lower profile in the front. So all of the chrome, including the vent window frames, the trim up on top of the doors, door handles, mirrors, all the trim has been replaced. It's buffed and polished real nice. Has the stacked headlights. All the bezels in that are real nice. Look at the custom LED headlights. In case I forget, it has LED sequential taillights too. The chrome mesh grille. All this is in beautiful shape. An optional mirror on the passenger side. So all the rubber seals, window fuzzies, they've all been replaced. Now you can see pictures of the top on our website. It's a real rich black Hartz cloth top. Has a glass window, new windshield in the car. Coming around to the back, all the emblems, the bumper, everything's real sharp. Why don't we open it up, show you inside. Trunk compartment is going to be beautiful in this car too. Look at underneath, it's painted slick as the car. Look at the bright LED trunk light that works. The jamb is slick, the weather strip is replaced. The whole inside is clean metal with a neatly applied spatter finish. Has an original style Rally 2 wheel all restored, completely restored jack assembly, a reproduction tire that's never been used, reproduction mat, and a really nice cloth cover. Ooh, this is really soft. That'll come with it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. So this was all apart when it was painted, so the jambs, even up by the hinges, all painted slick. Again, all new weather strips, complete reproduction interior, including the door panels, armrest, emblems, handles, cranks, all been replaced and nicely installed. New dash pad, new instrument panels, so it has all nice crisp edges, clear lenses, nice wood grain, full rally gauges with the tachometer. You can set it to where you want it to redline. And if you notice, there's LED lights in there, so they light up nice and bright. I've driven so many old cars at night, you can barely see the gauges. All this is beautiful. This is actually a modern radio. It looks just like the original, but it is a modern stereo. All this is clean and painted and looking real sharp. It's a small glove box because of the air conditioning unit that's in there. The light works. Clean kick panels, nice AC vent installed under the dash. Pontiac vacuum gauge. Console looks beautiful. It has the Hartz dual gate shifter. or his and hers shifter. You put it over here if you want to slap it into the gears. Also want to point out all the interior lights are LED. The carpet is also replaced and fits real nice and is reproduction Pontiac floor mats. So the seats have been completely rebuilt. They're recushioned, they're nice firm, they feel like new, reupholstered with no wrinkles. The back of the seat, the chrome trim, all of this all looks like brand new. Working LED light, reproduction mats, LED lights, complete set of deluxe seat belts. All of this is reupholstered. It all fits real nice, all nice and firm. So a really pristine interior. Beautifully restored or new reproduction steering wheel. New mirror, new visors. Really a great, great car. This interior is pristine. All the metal surfaces are repainted. This is a professional restoration that somebody spent time and money on. So that is a completely rebuilt 400 engine with an Offenhauser aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carb under there with an electric choke, new distributor, wires. Wires are neatly run. Nice chrome valve covers and air cleaner. Nice set of coated headers. And you can see everything is nice, clean, smooth metal. The air conditioning was actually added after the restoration, so that's a nice feature the last owner had installed. And upgraded with a cold case aluminum radiator. You can see how everything's painted so nicely. The shroud, the fan, the pulleys, alternator all look like new. Has power steering. Delco battery topper. Squirters are hooked up. Power brakes, all that looks new. Wiper motor looks like new. Hinges are detailed. Under the hood has a nice mat that says GTO right on it. So I'm jealous of Michael because he's going to take you for a drive. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. Let me just start off by saying I absolutely love this GTO. It's a very high-end build, and you can tell just by looking at it, it is oozing quality. Everything about it, fit and finish, paint. I know Jay goes over all that, but this is one of the exceptional ones. It's been totally restored, top to bottom, and I would really encourage you to go on our website to look at pictures of the undercarriage because it's extremely impressive. Beautiful build. And it's just, so far, you know, just going down the street here, it really has that ride quality. It's super tight, didn't feel any of the bumps or cracks or little potholes, anything like that. Really good brake pedal, effortless power steering. The gauges, the turn signals do light up here and cancel. I know from experience already. Power top works, everything like that. 402 rated at 375 horsepower underneath the hood. Turbo 400 automatic transmission. Let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no issue. Whoever built this trans, they really did a nice job. This thing shifts like butter, but it's just point on. Super impressive there. Let's see here. Gotta go down the street straight. I mean, that is a beautiful alignment right there. Yeah, it really is just dialed in beautifully. and it's a great driving experience. Our shop went over this car top to bottom. We did have a bill of about $1,100 on it. I know the big ticket item was we replaced the intake manifold gasket. And yeah, here you have it. Just a phenomenally performing vehicle. Absolutely love the note of the exhaust. Love the way that it handles, nice and tight handling there. You can see, and yeah, she's special. This one's a real winner. You don't take my word for it. Come down, test drive it yourself. We have absolutely nothing to hide. Somebody's definitely gonna fall in love with this one, and it will. It's gonna be special for somebody, no matter if it's your only car or if you have 24 cars. This one will definitely stand out for all the right reasons. So go ahead, contact our sales department. Let them know that you're coming down a day in advance. All the cars are in a museum setting and need time to move around and get ready for you. But yeah, as I see it, it's a totally fantastic vehicle, and can't say anything else besides check out all the details, pictures, and description on volocars.com.
So underneath this car is absolutely pristine. They took the body off the frame. They flipped the body on a rotisserie so they could work on it from every angle. All clean metal floors underneath, painted nicely. The entire chassis was redone. Powder coated frame, all the suspension, steering completely rebuilt or replaced. It has the F41 suspension, so it has sway bars front and back, boxed rear control arms, upgraded quick ratio steering box. It has a pipes custom dual exhaust system. And if you notice, coming out the back at the bottom there behind the tire is splitter tips. There are two tips that come out. That was a GTO option back in the day. Entire brake system is new, disc up front, drum and back. All the lines, hoses, even the e-brake assembly is all new. Fuel system all new. The gas tank is shiny. Look up at the motor, it's still pristine. It doesn't even have a drip on it. Summit high torque starter. The turbo 400 transmission looks brand new. All the nuts, bolts, everything attached to it looks new. It's a 12-bolt rear end with 331 gears. I had to show you this. I'd never seen this on the GTO. Sequential LED taillights. That's cool. This is a true quality car. A lot of cars look great. A lot of people say, oh, it's fully restored. This is the cream of the crop. I'm telling you that. I've been around a lot of cars. This one was done right. Now you can go to volocars.com. Salesmen are there to help you. They can help get your GTO delivered to your driveway and help with financing if you need it. Thanks for watching.